Amazing animal facts. The woodpecker, nature's master carpenter and forest engineer. Among the many birds that inhabit the world's forests, few are as instantly recognizable or as uniquely specialized as the woodpecker. With its rhythmic tapping echoing through woodlands and its bold, often colorful plumage flashing between tree trunks, the woodpecker stands out as one of nature's most fascinating avian architects. More than just a bird that pecks at wood, the woodpecker is a symbol of adaptation, resilience, and ecological balance. Its entire body is a testament to evolutionary precision, shaped over millions of years to thrive in an environment where trees are both home and food source. Distinctive physical design, built for impact. The woodpecker's anatomy is one of the most remarkable examples of specialization in the animal kingdom. Its strong, chisel-like beak is perfectly designed to drill into wood, allowing it to excavate insects hidden deep beneath bark. This beak is not only hard and sharp, but also self-sharpening, maintaining its effectiveness despite constant use. Equally impressive is the woodpecker's skull and neck structure. Repeatedly striking solid wood at high speeds would be devastating for most animals. Yet woodpeckers can peck thousands of times a day without injury. This is possible due to a combination of shock-absorbing bone structure, powerful neck muscles, and a unique skull design that disperses impact forces. Their brains are tightly packed and cushioned, reducing movement during pecking and preventing damage. The woodpecker's feet and tail are also specially adapted. Most species have 2 toes facing forward and 2 facing backward, providing a strong grip on vertical surfaces. Their stiff tail feathers act like a tripod, bracing the bird against the tree trunk and offering stability during drilling. Habitat and global distribution. Forests across the world. Woodpeckers are found on nearly every continent except Antarctica and Australia, inhabiting forests, woodlands, savannas, and even suburban areas with sufficient trees. They are especially abundant in regions with mature forests, where dead or decaying trees provide ideal feeding and nesting opportunities. Different species have adapted to different environments, from dense tropical rainforests to temperate woodlands and arid regions dotted with trees or large cacti. This wide distribution highlights the woodpecker's adaptability and ecological importance across diverse habitats. Diet and feeding behavior. Precision predators of the bark. Woodpeckers primarily feed on insects and larvae that live beneath tree bark, including beetles, ants, termites, and caterpillars. Their long, sticky tongues, often extending far beyond the length of their beaks, are specially adapted to extract prey from deep crevices. Some tongues even have barbed tips, making them highly effective tools for capturing insects. In addition to insects, many woodpeckers consume fruits, nuts, seeds, and tree sap, especially when insects are scarce. Some species drill rows of small holes known as sap wells, returning regularly to feed on the sap and the insects it attracts. This behavior not only sustains the woodpecker, but also benefits other animals that feed from these sap sources. Drumming and communication. The language of the forest. One of the most iconic behaviors of woodpeckers is drumming, the rapid pecking on resonant surfaces such as hollow trees or even man-made structures. Contrary to popular belief, drumming is not primarily for feeding. Instead, it serves as a form of communication, used to establish territory and attract mates. Each species has its own distinct drumming pattern, acting like a signature that other woodpeckers can recognize. Alongside drumming, woodpeckers use vocal calls, body postures, and visual displays to communicate with one another. In the dense forest environment, these signals play a crucial role in social interaction and survival. Reproduction and nesting. Carving a home from wood. Woodpeckers are cavity nesters, meaning they excavate holes in trees to create safe nesting sites. Both males and females typically participate in digging the nest cavity, which can take days or even weeks to complete. These cavities provide excellent protection from predators and harsh weather. After the breeding season, abandoned woodpecker cavities become vital resources for many other species, including owls, small mammals, and other birds that cannot excavate their own nests. In this way, woodpeckers act as keystone species, shaping their ecosystems and supporting biodiversity far beyond their own needs. Intelligence and problem-solving, more than just instinct. While often overshadowed by more famously intelligent birds, woodpeckers display notable problem-solving abilities and learning behaviors. They remember productive feeding sites, recognize changes in tree health, and adjust their techniques based on the hardness of the wood or the behavior of prey. Some species show remarkable adaptability, learning to exploit new food sources or nesting opportunities in human-altered landscapes. This intelligence, combined with physical specialization, has allowed woodpeckers to survive in a changing world. Cultural significance and symbolism. Across cultures, the woodpecker has held symbolic meaning. In some traditions, it represents perseverance, opportunity, and determination, reflecting its relentless effort and focus. In folklore, the sound of a woodpecker's drumming is often associated with messages, warnings, or the presence of unseen forces in the forest. In modern times, the woodpecker has become a symbol of forest health. Its presence often indicates a thriving ecosystem rich in insects and mature trees, making it an important indicator species for conservationists. Conservation and ecological importance. Although many woodpecker species remain common, others face serious threats due to deforestation, habitat fragmentation, and the removal of dead trees, which are essential for feeding and nesting. Conservation efforts emphasize preserving natural forests, maintaining deadwood, and protecting old-growth habitats. By controlling insect populations and creating nesting cavities for other animals, woodpeckers play a critical role in maintaining balanced and healthy ecosystems. Protecting them means protecting entire forest communities. Conclusion: the heartbeat of the forest. The woodpecker is far more than a bird that pecks at trees. It is an engineer, communicator, survivor, and guardian of forest life. Every tap of its beak tells a story of evolution, adaptation, and ecological harmony. From its shock-absorbing skull to its role as a provider of homes for countless other species, the woodpecker embodies the intricate connections that sustain nature. To watch a woodpecker at work is to witness persistence and purpose in motion, a reminder that even the smallest rhythms of the forest play a role in the grand symphony of life. If you enjoyed this extensive exploration of the amazing woodpecker, please subscribe to our channel and follow our page, Wild Wonders, for more inspiring stories from the natural world. And now we'd love to hear from you. What is the woodpecker called in your own language? Share it in the comments and celebrate the beauty of global wildlife with us.